Videos are a great way to entice users to stay on your website or to teach them something more about your product. But just like images, videos also need to be accessible. And one way to do that is to add subtitles to videos so that your users can read while they're listening to the content. And hopefully, if these videos are informative to your users, it'll encourage them to stay on your site longer and maybe even purchase something. Subtitles are added to videos through a transcript file. And in this video, I'll show you how to use the Cloudinary SDK to take an existing transcript file and attach it to a video, as well as automatically generate subtitles and embed that into the video, all through the magic of Cloudinary. In this first part, I already have an existing video called First. It looks like this. It's just a video of me talking, and right now, there's no subtitles on the screen. But as you can see in the File Explorer, I do have a transcript already uploaded. Let's head over to VS Code and I'll show you how to generate a URL where that transcript is applied to the video. Here is a basic Node.js script. We're importing the Cloudinary SDK here, and then we're configuring the client with our cloud name, API key, and API secret. Now, for the first part of the demo, we're going to use the URL function to generate a URL where our video, called First, has the subtitles embedded directly into it. We start by calling the cloudinary.url method and giving it a path to our video file. Then in the options, we specify the resource type as video and define an overlay. This is how our subtitles will be applied on top of our video file. In this case, we specify the resource type as subtitles and then provide the public ID to our transcript file. It's in the same folder and it was called first.transcript. Then this will log out the URL of the video on Cloudinary. Let's run this and see what it says. In the terminal, I've run the script and it spits out a URL of a video on Cloudinary. If we preview this, now you'll see that the subtitles are embedded directly into the video. That's what I'm saying. Now let's do something a little more advanced. This time, we're going to upload a video and automatically generate a transcript file to be used for subtitles. First, I'm defining a path to a video on my machine called second.mp4. Then we're going to use the upload method from the Cloudinary SDK to upload that video to Cloudinary. We first pass it the path of the video, then we define the folder and the public ID where the video will be uploaded to. We also tell Cloudinary that this is a video resource, and finally, we use the raw convert property to tell Cloudinary to generate VTT and SRT files, which are transcript files, for this video. And one more thing I should mention. In order to get this to work, you have to enable the add-on in Cloudinary for Google Audio Transcription. Let me show you how to do that. If you go to your Cloudinary dashboard, click on Settings and then Add-ons, you'll see this screen. Here I have the Google AI Video Transcription add-on the free plan activated on my account. If you don't have this, you can search it in this list and turn it on. Now that the video has been uploaded, the audio is being transcribed in the background. In the meantime, we can generate a URL to our video. We do this with the URL method, and we specify the public ID of where we uploaded that video to. In this case, I have a folder called Cloudinary Node Subtitle Demo with the name of Second. In the options object, just like before, we define the resource type as video and define an overlay. And again, just like the first demo, in this overlay, we define a subtitles resource type and the public ID of what we just generated. In this case, we generated one with a public ID called Second, and it'll be the same public ID for the transcript file. Let's run this script and see if it works. And after running the script, we see two URLs. The first one is from our first demo. The second one is the URL of our newly uploaded video. Let's go check our media library. Over in the media library, we do see a bunch of new files. Second is the video that we uploaded, and then here is the generated transcript that Google created. And now if we go back and visit this URL in the browser, we should see a video with the subtitles automatically overlaid on top of it. And here we are. This is the second video. You can tell it's different because the lighting is now green and my hat is backwards. And if I play this, you'll see this audio is different. And this is the second clip where the transcript is generated on the fly. And there you go. Now you know how to associate existing transcript files with videos to create subtitles, or Have Google generate the subtitles automatically to improve accessibility in videos on your website.